What do you do when you want an easy but impressive main dish? You make cherry BBQ chicken. The custom barbecue sauce comes together quickly to give a sweet and tangy flavor that is out of this world delicious. Plain old chicken just got a major upgrade. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to bake some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and get a grill pan going on medium-high heat. Season your chicken breasts with salt and fresh black pepper. You can also add other spices if you like. Make sure that you do both sides. When your pan is nice and hot, add the chicken breasts and don't touch them until you start to see a line of white on the bottom. Then flip them and do the same. They'll release easily from the pan when they're ready to flip. Add them to an 8x8 pan and cover with a lid or foil and place in the oven for 10 minutes. While those are baking, let's make the barbecue sauce. Use your favorite barbecue sauce and a cherry jam of your choice. One with big chunks of cherries gives a nice finishing touch. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cherry jam and an equal amount of barbecue sauce. Give it all a good stir until combined. Cherry goodness. Pull the chicken from the oven and coat with the cherry barbecue sauce and you're ready to serve. Cherry BBQ chicken kicks boring chicken to the curb and comes together fast so you don't have to fuss. The cherry kick is an unexpected flavor that will get people talking in all the right ways. It would also be wonderful on pork chops as well. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.